So that's it, guys. We're boiling our egg. Okay. So in this pot, guys, we're just adding the roasted pork meat that is left over from the birthday of my husband. So we'll just fry that one and we'll remove that. So that's the meat. Now here we are putting our tomato, and then we will add some water with that. And here, guys, I will add some dried wild mushrooms. So yeah, I will add this one once that one will boil. Okay, I can add it now. So only that is what's inside in this packet. Very little, 14 gram, and now it's boiling. Now we're adding our mushrooms, our wild mushrooms. Okay, lower the heat and I will add the noodles in there. So that's our mushroom soup. It boils really good. I will check if the mushroom is really cooked. Yeah, there is curds. Now I'm adding the noodles, guys. Only half of that, the other half is still here. So we're adding that. And once the noodles it's almost half cooked, we add that one, our cauliflower. Okay, guys, and finally we're adding the whole noodles because my husband requested. So guys, our noodles is already half cooked. Now we're adding our cauliflower. Adding all of that. All of this cauliflower. And the hard, I cannot do it anymore. So let's add that one. And that. Let's half cook a little bit. So what I have here, guys, is I have this homemade, it's me, I grow it. It's really beautiful, right? Mung bean sprout. I will take some. So you can see all of that stuff going on fall already. I think this one is 10 days. Yeah, 3 inch or 4 inch. I will just take some. I think that's enough, and then for another recipe, as you can see, all there, that one is under, it's not here, so I will cover it. Anyway, if I have time, I will clean it later and then we can put it in the rep because it's really tall already. So that one is boiling. So it's done now. We will off. Okay. And we're adding our lettuce. Yeah, I already off the thing there. We'll add all of that, and I have my bowl here prepared. So now my husband, guys, is transferring the noodles. I let him transfer that one. Our noodle soup. With mushroom. Okay. That's fine. Okay. We'll do with the other one. I think we need to buy other tong, honey. We don't have a good tong. Because the other one is very tall and we put outside for the barbecue. So it's more on vegetables our noodles here, guys. It's like that. We do our noodle soup here in our house, and it's up to you if you will add chili powder. My husband likes to add also chili powder, I think. Now you can add a soup, honey. Wow. Just there, and there's an egg. Put the other one there. And there's an egg there. Yeah. And our cat, guys, are really crying now. Okay, and I will here. One. The other one here. To add more crunch, I like to add this yeah, that one.
Okay.
Okay, that's enough for you.
Now
mukbang time.
mukbang time.
No mukbang.
Mukbang time.
He don't know how to say mukbang, guys.
No.
He only mukbang. Say mukbang, honey.
Mukbang.
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 Oh my God, cannot. So that's our noodle, guys. Our noodles. Update your noodles. Yeah.
Almost.
I will. No.
Almost.
So our update your noodles recipe. And my husband, guys, is adding chili powder. So I have one egg. We have here the wild mushrooms noodles and the lettuce. Lettuce. I want to put some more lettuce. And the cup is already. And the cup is already. Yowly. Huh? No, little only, honey. You asked me, guys, to put some chili powder. Okay, enjoy. Bon appetit. Thank you, guys, for watching. Have a good night. I hope you will try to do a noodles like this. And yeah, this is part of our losing weight journey. Yeah. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. God bless us all. Oh, my husband, guys, is putting a lot of
No.
chili flakes in his plate. For me, he said it's little only. Yeah, it's very colorful, my soup. And here is the little soup there. Yeah.